Yeah, I've probably never mentioned this on this framing housing, but I'll show you this. I'll get a piece of timber here. On frame housing, when you come to your corners, you have your final finish will go across there, if you can imagine. Get a piece here. Your final finish goes across these, right? So in this case we're using imitation spruce or internal siding, if you like, or what would you call it? Tongue and groove, I guess, in English. But it goes across there, right? Well, you've nothing to connect it to. So the only way to that is to put a piece in right there, like that. So you put an extra piece in there, and that way you've got something to connect to on the corner. And that goes for all the corners, and there's another corner over here. In this case, you can see here, this needs to go in there, like that way, and on any corner really, where you need to connect to. On this one here, obviously there's, which is, well, looking from the other side here, but you can imagine there's nothing to connect that to on there, so this is going to have one put in there to connect to. That'll be just straight onto there, like that, and every corner is the same on frame. So you need to put an extra piece in each corner to connect your, if you don't do it, how are you going to connect your final finish? So just check that if you're having a one built, your frame's all done and it's all nice and everything's good. Check your corners, make sure you actually connect something to connect your imitation brush to, because if you don't and the people who come in to do the final finish, or if you're doing it yourself or whatever, you're like, now what do we do? You end up ripping out insulation and messing around trying to get a piece in there. Very difficult trying to get a nail gun in there, especially if you've got the outside on. If you've done the outside finish, how are you going to get a nail gun in there? You can't. You're going to have to start messing around with screws from the other side, or don't say. So especially if you can imagine that this is going to be insulated here, right, and then this will be insulated, then how are you going to get a piece in there later on? You can't. So it's important to bit my due to video, so it's important to get that piece in there straight away, so you don't forget, and it's all nice and secure. Okay, I'll put you down and get on with it. So that's that, but it's got insulation between here and here, good, you can see it, and I can show you that. Yeah, insulation between there and there, and between there and there. So fully insulated corner, very, very important on this type of housing that your corners are properly insulated. And on the bottom, there's no gaps, but if there was to be a gap up here, then a bit of spray foam in there as well to